Hello everyone, welcome to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to learn Anybase subtraction. So let me read the question carefully. You are given two numbers n1 and n2 of base b. Also, we need to given a base b. So also I need to give a base, the variable name as b. And you are required to subtract n2 from n1, which means I need to perform n1 minus n2, the basic simple subtraction operation. Okay. See, this is my number 1 and this is my number 2 and this is my base. I need to mention, so what is the base of the given two input? Okay, and also this is the clue for I need to perform the subtraction operation for the which base. Okay, so this is the answer we got. I'll explain how we got this output. Okay, so the input is 735 and 277. Okay, 735 and 735 and 277, right? Okay, see, this is the two number. So let's do it the subtraction like this is my n1 and this is my n2. So I am going to perform n1 minus n2. n1 minus n2. The base is 10. As of now, the base is 10. So base is 10 means it's our normal decimal values. So how will we do the subtraction operation? See, 5 minus 7 we can't subtract. So let's do, this is 15. 15 minus 7, that is 8. Okay, and we can't subtract from 2. We can't subtract 2 from 7, so let's make it as 12 and let's make it as 6. Then 12 minus 7, that is 5. Okay, then 6 minus 2, 4. So this is the answer, right? When we subtract in normal manner, in our normal subtraction is this is. But I would like to explain something new. How we get this 8, how we get this 5, how we get this 4. Okay, let's take, this is your 735, this is your number. Okay, 277. So what is the base of this number? This is our decimal number. Let's consider this is my decimal value as of now. In our day-to-day life, what we are using, that is the decimal value. So the base is as of now, that is 10. Okay, first what you need to do, you need to take this number. Okay, so 5 minus 7, also your carry. So what is your carry? Initially your carry is 0 plus 0. Okay, your carry is initially 0. Okay, if I perform this, what will I get? I will get minus 2. This minus 2 is less than 0. It's not greater than 0. It's a negative number. It's a negative number. If it is a negative number, what you need to do? See, if this value is less than 0, if it is a negative, so you need to perform, you need to change this number as positive. That is very simple. See, let's take, this is your value. If your value is equal to minus 2, what you need to do? Value equal to value plus your base. So your base is 10. So in this case, if you will get minus 2, that is negative number, just addition with your base value. What is your base? Your base is 10. So if you perform 10, then you will get 8 here. Okay, you will get 8 here. Also, when you perform this operation, perform this operation means, so your final value is a negative, then you are performing addition with your base value. That time you need to update your carry. Your carry is minus 1. Okay, your carry is minus 1. That's it. Then, okay, your carry is minus 1. Fine, your carry is minus 1. Then now you have done operation for this thing. Now let's take this thing. Okay, so 3 minus 7, also your carry in the previous case you have updated your carry is minus 1. Your carry is minus 1. Also plus minus 1. Okay, then 3 minus 7, that is nothing but minus 4. Then minus 1, you will get minus 5 here. Okay, so if your value is less than 0, what you have to do? You have to perform addition operation with your base. Your base is 10, then you will get 5 here. Then if you performing this operation, your carry will be minus 1. Okay, that's it. Then you have done this thing. Here your carry value is minus 1. After that, here also your carry value is minus 1 because we have updated our carry for the next iteration. Let's take this thing. See, 7 minus 2, then plus my carry is minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is greater than 0, right? 4 is greater than 0. So there is nothing is there to change. So if it is greater than 0, if it is a positive number, If it is a positive number, you can directly update that number. Then your carry also 0 because you haven't performed anything. That's it. So your final answer is 458. In this way, we are getting 458. So this is our traditional method what we learned in our schooling days. But this is the behind the scene how it is work if your base is 10. Okay, like that I need to perform the same operation with the help of base 8. See, 7, 35, 7, 35 and 2, 77. Now my base is 8. Now my base is 8. See, first I need to take these two numbers. Initially my carry is 0. See, 5 minus 7 plus my carry is 0, that is minus 2. If it is a negative number, what I need to do? I need to perform addition operation with my base. So if I perform plus 8, my number will be 6. My number will be 6, right? Minus 2 plus 8, that is 6. Okay. After that, if you perform this operation, your carry will be minus 1. So it will be updated here. Now you have done this. Let's take this thing right now. You have done this. Now you are in this part. So 3 minus 7 plus your carry, that will be minus 1. Plus your carry, it will be changed as minus 1. So 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 1, that is minus 5. If it is a minus 5, if it is a negative, what you need to do? You need to perform addition operation with your base. Then it will be 3. It will be 3. Minus 5 plus 8, that is 3. Okay, done. Then update your carry here. Then 7 minus 2, so that is 5. Then 5 minus 1 your carry, that is 4. So 4 is a greater than 0. So you can update your carry as 0, then update the 4 as it is. So 436. We need to check. See, 436. If you are performing Anybase subtraction, so this is your answer. Okay. So let's write the code first. Then I would like to say some other thing. You know how to construct this 436. In the first case, you are getting 6, na? It's 6 into 10 power 0. Then 3 into 10 power 1. Then 4 into 10 power 2. So perform addition operation. Finally, you will get 436. And this is the way we are constructing the number in our last 4 program. So we are constructing the number in this manner, and I hope you have cleared in this part. So let's write the code. Okay, so this is my main function. First let's write my user defined function. Okay, so that function, for my imagination, that function will receive the 3 parameter. Also that function will return the expected answer. So public static, the function name is like Anybase subtraction, right? Anybase subtraction. This is my function name. It will read 3 things. One is my number 1, and another one is my number 2, and another thing is base. Okay, fine. First thing is what I need to do. The first thing is I need a variable like, first variable is for storing my answer. So my answer is 0. Why? Because I need to perform here, right? I need to perform this, and I need to store this everything. So for that I need my answer variable, as well as I need a carry. Initially my carry is equal to 0. Also I need a power variable. That starts from 1. Anything power 0, 1. Okay, the task is very, very simple. You need to perform this operation until your either of any number will get 0. That's it. Because in this case your carry won't remain. If it is addition, you will get extra carry, then you need to keep down and you need to construct the answer. But for the subtraction, you won't get any extra carry. When you performing at the last thing, after this point your carry will 0 only. So your condition will be either your number 1 is greater than 0 or your number 2 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it should not be equal to 0. That is the condition. See, while my number 1 it's not equal to 0 or my number 2 it's not equal to 0. This is the condition. First what I need to take, I need to take the last digit of number 1. So int last digit of number 1, that is, how can I take number 1 mod 10. Okay, int last digit of number 2, that is my number 2 of my 10. Okay, I have taken. Then I need to perform I need to perform subtraction, right? So int subtraction equal to, okay, my last digit of 1 minus last digit of 2 plus also my carry. Also carry, right? In this case we have done, right? See, I'll show you. 7, let's take this number, 3 minus 1. Okay, let's show here. See the number I have taken 5. Where I have taken? See 3. 7 minus 2. Here I have taken 7 minus 2. Also I have performed with plus carry. This is my carry. Okay. So plus carry means if your carry is negative value, it will be automatically updated. So it is minus values. So this is the subtraction. Okay. Then after that, what you need to check? So you need to check if your subtraction value, this is the variable. Okay. So if your subtraction is less than 0, which means if it is a negative, what you need to perform? So you need to perform your subtraction is subtraction plus your base. So your base, you need to perform addition operation with your base. Then next also you need to update your carry is minus 1. Okay. So for the next updation, your carry should be minus 1. Okay. Suppose if your subtraction is not less than 0, it is a positive, so you need to update your carry as 0. That's it. You no need to update your subtraction because it is already positive. So you no need to do any addition operation with subtraction variable. And finally, you need to construct. How do you construct? See, let's take in this case, this is my subtraction. In this case, this is my subtraction 6. I have performed 6 into 10 power 0. That is my power variable. This is my power variable. Also, I have added this in every time. Then after the next time, I will perform 3 into 10 power 1. This is my power variable and I have added everything is in my answer variable. So, my answer equal to answer plus. I need to subtraction into my power value. Okay, subtraction into my power. Then it's very simple. For the next iteration, my power equal to power star 10. Power star 10. Then once I have used this last digit, then I need to destroy this thing because I have used. There is no more use of in upcoming. So I need to consider this is my last digit. For that, I need to remove these two last digit. How can I remove? So my n1 equal to n1 by 10 and my n2 equal to n2 by 10. Okay. So as of now, everything is fine. So this is our condition, and finally just return your answer. Okay. Now let's pass the variables values from main function to user defined function. First, scanner sin equal to new scanner and system dot in. Here you have a one more edge cases. I will show that I have written like this way. Okay, int n1 equal to ACN dot next int. Okay, int n2 equal to ACN dot next int base equal to ACN dot next int fine. Then finally I need to pass this function because it will return one integer variable. So public static, this is int method, public static int. So int my result equal to or answer anything, int my result equal to, just pass the function Anybase to subtraction. Here I need to pass my number 1 and number 2 and base. Okay, so you may think like this, but let's take this is your number. So my number is, let's take my number 1 is 1, my number 2 is 100. Can I perform number 1 minus number 2? So my base is 8, or let's take my base is 10, anything. if I perform this thing, see 100 minus 1, that is equal to 99. That I know. But if you take 1, that is 100, see 1 minus 0 plus your carry is initially 0, that will be 1. This 1 is greater than 0. So we are putting 1 here. After that everything is 0. That here it will be 1. So 101. It will automatically perform addition operation if my number 1 is a smaller number. If my number 1 is a smaller number. So what I need to do, always my number 1 should be greater. Number 1 is always greater than number 2. Then only it will be perfectly fine. So while passing my number 1, I need to check my number 1 is greater than number 2. Okay, I am checking. This is the ternary operator. My number 1 is greater than number 2. Then I need to pass number 1. Otherwise, I need to pass number 2. That's it. Okay. Here also I need to check my number 2 is less than number 1. I need to pass number 2. Otherwise, this is ternary operator. Otherwise, I need to pass number 1. Okay. Then finally base. Now it will work fine. Let's take system.out.println. So I have printed my result. So let's check once again. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. We can take number 1 greater than or equal to number 2 and number 2 is less than or equal to number 1. So why? Because there is a two numbers are equal number, then this condition won't work. We will get error here. So let's run 735. So first number is 735 and another number is 277. If base is 8, we need to get 436. Yes, we got. Okay, I am so elated for this output. Let's run 1 and 100. The number 1 is 1, number 2 is 100. Then my base is 10. So this is our normal subtraction. If base is 10, I should get 99 in this case. Yes, we got, because we have handled the edge case here. So it will be work fine. I hope you have understood this problem, guys. I will catch up in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye. Take care.